with Easy English for Kids. Job. Artist. She is an artist. She works in a studio. Carpenter. He is a carpenter. He works in a carpenter's shop. Cook. He is a cook. He works in a restaurant. Doctor. She is a doctor. She works in a hospital. Engineer. He is an engineer. He works in a factory. Farmer. He is a farmer. He works on a farm. Firefighter. He is a firefighter. He works in a fire station. Hairdresser. She is a hairdresser. Wow! She works in a salon. Teacher. She is a teacher. She works in a school. Singer. She is a singer. She works in a music studio. Review. Artist. Carpenter. Cook. Doctor. Engineer. Farmer. Firefighter. Hairdresser. Teacher. Singer.